Want to watch every single movie for free? Then you are in the right video. So keep watching this video till the end to know how you can watch. All we have to do is type Stremio and then go to downloads. Download Stremio for Windows, and after installing this, you will go and search Stremio in your Windows. Okay, so after opening Stremio, all you have to do is go on right here, show all add-ons, and make sure you add this Torrentio Lite. Wait, let me just adjust this camera. All you have to do is install it. I had already installed, that's why it's showing here uninstall. And you have to search the Pirate Bay right here and install it. As you know, I have already installed it, that's why it's showing uninstall. Torrentio app, 1080p, 720p. Okay, so after installing the add-on, you will get every single movie series, and or should I say a web series, even channels you will get, say T-series, Cocomelon for nursery, and even Friends the reunion you are getting in one single app. It is also available for Android too. I will give the link in the description. So that's it. This is the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you are new to the channel, subscribe the channel and like this video. See you in the next video. Have a good day.